NatureGlo here. So I have been reorganizing my camper van. So my boyfriend and I want to take trips in it, but it has been stuffed to the gills. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like after me doing hours upon hours of purging and reorganizing. Okay, so here you can see a great big bag full of stuff. This is all going to Goodwill. I still have not put everything away. I kind of wanted to show you a before shot before I really put things in place. But I did a lot of reorganizing here. Can't really see under the bed, but thankfully I have these wonderful shelves. But ideally in the future, I'd like to remove those and extend the bed all the way out to the sidewalls to make it more comfortable for two people. Right now what I do is I put totes on either side and pillows on top to extend the bed, and that works okay, but it's not super comfortable. Okay, and then here I have my clothes hanging. I have this shoe bag. Sorry about the lighting here. Actually, that's kind of cool. That's kind of pretty how the light's streaming in there. But this is a shoe bag. Unfortunately, things kind of fall out if I make a sharp turn, but I just stuff it all back in. Here are my wash rags, like for washing my face and private parts. I pretty much sponge bathe. And I'm trying to reorganize this. It's really hard to organize things without shelving units. This is my garbage bag. This is like my bucket I use to wash my hair. And yeah, so I reorganized all of these shelves. Like I took out all the junk that has been accumulating over the years. Everyone has a junk drawer, but I've done a good job. These are my tools. I think I've done a good job. This is a container with like my rechargeable batteries, my Q-tips. I guess this is kind of my official junk drawer. These are rocks and minerals, my nail clippers. This is my lighter for my Coleman stove. I wanted to put that in my Osprey backpack for whenever I do get a chance to do some backpacking. This is my Apothecary. I have all kinds of essential oils, pain pills, which I rarely, if ever, use, witch's hazel, black pepper. I've got turmeric. I make a turmeric tea every morning for my menopause with black cohosh. Over here we have my plate, and this is my silverware in this old Korean ginseng box that a friend of mine gave. And my friend gave me these HEMA caplets here for boosting iron. Here is my electronics drawer. I have different cords. I have this Samson Go mic, which is really great. I have my microphone headsets. My stash of water. 246 gallons of water. Plus I have a 7-gallon jug here, a 7-gallon jug in the back. Eventually I'd like to replace this table with shelving. So that is the before shot of my van in the middle of reorganizing. Okay, so I'm super excited because I don't think my van has ever been this clean and organized with actual empty space to move around in. So let's have a look. All right, so first of all, notice the scene here. I'm doing some urban overnight camping. Woohoo! All right, so here we go with the tour, the after. You saw the before earlier. It's my yoga mat. That's my precious deceased dog, Rochelle Claire, who passed on in April. That's her bed. So I keep it there in memory of her and also to keep my feet warm and toasty. So here she is. Oh my goodness! The passenger seat is actually empty with my new desert hiking boots that I found in a lucky abandoned house recently. So I have my toiletries. Well, this is like my hand washing station where I dip my hands in periodically to wash them and dry them. That's my mug for my drinks in the morning. This is my bathtub. That's what I do dishes with and also use to wash my hair. Dun, dun, dun! If you've seen my van in previous videos, you know that this is really organized for me. I even managed to get this side wall, which has no shelving, relatively organized. We have our toilet paper, paper towels, well stocked up with Scott tissue, toilet paper, which is my favorite, and some condiments that I use every day. Underneath we have 6 gallons of water, my baking soda, which I use to brush my teeth. I mix it with clove oil to brush my teeth and keep any cavities at bay. This is my vinegar water for spritzing down my dishes. Apple cider vinegar, which I mix in with water. Here we have my shirts, my work shirts. This is a shoe bag, which kind of is a pain since, you know, stuff can fall out. I just stuff it back in and try to stuff it in so that it won't fall out in the first place.